Okay, one of my favorite DJI accessories, especially for the Action 6, is this one right here. This is a little tripod, but there's more. You have the DJI mount on it, so you can, pop your DJI camera on there and it snaps into place. It's on there nice and tight. And there's a ball head, so you can move it around if you want to get like that vlogging angle or whichever way you want to go. There's even a cold shoe mount that you could swivel around, so you can put a microphone on there or a light. And then you have your tripod. So this opens out and then you can set it down. But then now look at this. You have a very long selfie pole here. Now you can use this without the tripod, so you can just use it as a selfie stick, which is great. So if you are vlogging and you want that angle like that, you can use it. It's like a perfect distance, about 2 feet away from you. It depends on how far you're holding it out from you. But yeah, great for even propping it up on your desk. If you want to get like a nice eye level shot, you can pop it on there, lift it up all the way, and it works great. Very good quality. And just a must have if you have an Action, any of the Action cameras or Nano as well, anything that has that mount at the bottom, that works great. So highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.